Alright, so adding this transformer on here so we can run this straight AC instead of reversing bar. So I know I got it wired, it's everywhere. Let me show you real quick. I'm gonna zip tie it up, alright? So I got I use 240. That's orange and white. Orange 240, white Carmen. I got that going to the bottom of the contact inside the hot hole. Right? Orange with that one in there tight, white in that one, 1, 2. Hot 240. Alright? Orange and white. I got the rest of the hot hole capped off. Red, black, 2 away, 2 on, got all that capped off, right? Now I'm going for 24 volts up here, right? Two wires, 24 volts, blue and yellow. I want some red and Carmen. Red right here, with the blue right here, cut it in half. It's the 24, the blue is 24. So I want the 24, which is red. The yellow, VAC, I want the Carmen with that. So yellow, blue, go to Carmen, brown, and red. Carmen and red, right there. Got blue, alright? And I got Carmen coming from down there. I put red, I tied to yellow and Carmen. So coming in, red and white, yellow and Carmen. And I came up here, and that's why I got 3 of them Carmens. Right here, I split it in half right here and tied them together. So I put a piece of tape in. And so Carmen and red. This is my low volts right here, Carmen and red. This is my high volts, 240. Alright, and this is my red and white going to yellow and Carmen. Alright, yellow and Carmen. Yellow Carmen, alright? All my other wires are capped off. I'm gonna zip tie all this up, make it look nice. Let me know if this wire wrong. Let me step back so you can see it. Carmen, red, 24, Carmen red. 240, orange and white, coming toward red and white, going to Carmen and yellow. Alright, capped off my hot volts. Now you go right there, add a transformer.